India's economy is on the growth path. Indian equity markets are on a sustained bull run. Boosted by the measures in the recent budget, corporate sentiment continues to be positive. The spotlight is on large cap stocks, the leaders of the Indian industry. At the recent launch of DWS Large Cap Fund Series, Akash Singhania, head of equity Deutsche Mutual Fund, talks about why large cap stocks are in the spotlight.
Large caps dominate the overall Indian stock markets and form 62% of the market cap compared to 58% 10 years back. Large caps score better on fundamentals. Large caps have higher margins of 24% vis-a-vis 16% for mid caps. Large caps have better return ratios and their return on equity is 16% vis-a-vis 11% for mid caps. Large caps have lower leverage of 0.5 times compared to 1.2 times for mid caps. From an earnings perspective, large caps offer more steady earnings growth over the longer term. From a valuation perspective, large caps are relatively cheaper to global emerging markets on a premium basis. From a price performance perspective, large caps offer consistent returns with lower volatility. FIs own 24% in large caps and they are big beneficiaries of global liquidity inflows into India. They have invested more than $15 billion in each of the last 3 years. Our investment philosophy is a fundamental led approach with quality and growth being the key drivers. Our investment strategy is a combination of top down and bottoms up stock picking approach. Our investment process is rigorous and we emphasize on performance which is superior on a risk return basis and consistent in terms of lower volatility and deviations. Our market outlook is positive from a 3-year perspective and we are positive on sectors including banking and financial, automobiles and industrials.
%70 to 100% of DWS Large Cap Fund Series portfolio to be invested in large cap stocks. 0% to 30% of the portfolio may be invested in non-large cap companies. 0% to 10% of the portfolio to be invested in debt and money market instruments. DWS Large Cap Fund Series will invest in a well-diversified portfolio across companies and sectors.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.